Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check your TikTok report. So the first step is you will have to open the TikTok account. So when it's completely opened, you will have to go in the profile icon. So now you will top right corner of three lines of settings, click to settings and privacy, and from here scroll down in the last you will see the support and click to safety center. And first step is to click to your account status. Your account is in good standing. So if someone reports you will show the status in account center. So now again you will just click to reports. If someone reports for you, so you will be just see here. So right now I don't have any report, so you will see. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.